What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this is going to be a very quick video because I'm doing a skincare routine. So I'm just going to show you guys the products that I use in the morning and what I use in the evening. So I actually have I'm having lunch with hubby later in the day. I just got back from the gym, so I took a shower but I haven't really washed my face, so this is where we're going to start this video. So recently my skin has been breaking out a lot and I went to Clicks. They recommended that I start using this Benzodam facial wash. Guys, it has made so much difference. So normally I use my Clinique, but ever since my skin started breaking out because I switched contraceptives, actually, well, I'm assuming it's because of that, because I switched contraceptives, so my skin just started breaking out quite bad. So I started using this facial wash. And I use this toner just after washing my skin. This is from Clinique. It's called the Clarifying Lotion Exfoliator. So this is what I use. I use it like morning and night. And in all honesty, guys, okay, I dropped that, so I have to use a new one. So I was saying, guys, in all honesty, I don't have the best of skin. Like, I have to work extra hard. I have to work so hard just to, you know, keep my skin looking like this, and it's still not even the best even after working so hard, because naturally, like, you know, I don't have that natural beautiful skin. Naturally, like, you know, my skin is very sensitive, so I easily get pimples. Like, you know, if a little bit of dust falls on my face, or a little bit of dirt, sometimes even insects, if, like, you know, if I get bitten, just a little bit of insect, you know, if it bites me, the next day my entire face is going to probably be red, or I'll wake up with pimples. And after toning my skin, I usually use this the Day Wear multi-protection antioxidant 24-hour moisture cream. And I also got this Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power cream. This I got for free, but guys, when I say, like, if you have money, please buy this. I got this for free, but I usually just use this. But if you have money, guys, buy this. This is like almost 2K, the bigger bottle, but it works. So I just applied my Hydra Beauty Essence Mist, the Chanel one. Guys, I love this thing. I just feel like it sets my makeup so beautifully. And then I'm just going to wear my lipstick and I'm going to fix my hair and change, then I'm out. This is a lipstick that I got from Sephora many years ago. What's up, guys? So I am done. I'll show you guys the outfit of the day. I'm just wearing this pink shirt that I got from Zara, and I'm wearing my mom jeans from Zara. I'm carrying my Coach Tabby Pillow bag, and I'm going to go with my favorite shoes, the Gucci Mules. So I'll show you guys, like, you know, the entire look, like when we get to Melrose. So yeah, guys, I'll see you later for my night care routine. What's up, guys? So we are back from our outing. It is 10 past 6, 18:10, and I'm just going to wash off this makeup and basically show you guys the stuff that I use for night on my face. I always use this micellar water to remove my eye makeup, eye and lip makeup. I just feel like, it removes everything beautifully. Some people actually even just use it like, on their whole face, just to remove the excess makeup. But I never really feel like, when I use it all over my face, that it removes everything. And then I use this, what is this called? The makeup remover lotion from Estee Lauder. I actually got this for free. There's no way that I would have ever bought this with my own money. So I got this for free. It's like a makeup lotion remover. And now I'm going to wash my face with the Clinique face wash. I've been using this Clinique face wash for years now. I've been using it for so long. I prefer to get rid of every bit of makeup on my face, guys. I just want my skin to be super clean when I go to bed. So I want to be able to just get rid of everything, and that is why I start off with the makeup, the wipes, and then I use that makeup remover, the lotion remover, and then I use the face wash just to get rid of everything. I use my toner again. This is also from Clinique. I'm actually running out of this. It is almost done. And then I'm going to use the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Night Cream. And then I'm going to use my Advanced Night Repair from Estee Lauder. This is another product, guys, that I am super obsessed with. I've been using this for so long. Like I don't know if you guys can see, like I have pigmentation around my mouth, like around my lip area. I'm not sure where it comes from. The lady at Foschini, the lady that works for Estee Lauder, she was like, you know what, since you use the Advanced Night Repair, always rub a little bit of it at night around your lip area and see if it doesn't help. I really hope it helps. And lastly, I use my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Eye Repair. Guys, I've had this for like over a year now. I never really run out of this thing because I always get, like every time I top up on my moisturizer, facial moisturizer, day cream or night cream, they give me sample. They keep giving me samples for this thing. And this thing alone on its own is like, 800 or 900 something. So I still have like, 2 small samples of this. And remember, I just apply this around the eye area, so I can never really run out. My eyes are very sensitive, so I always try by all means not to bring it too close to my eyes. I don't want to get it into my eyes because my eyes tend to be easily irritable. This has also certainly helped me with my dark eye circles. I used to have those, the pigmentation around my eye area. So this has helped quite a lot. And guys, so this is basically my night care routine. So I usually use these facial masks. This is from Garnier. It's written Garnier Tissue Mask Even in Matte. Guys, this thing works like magic. I promise you, just try it once and give it 2 days. Like, you try, if you were to, try it, like, you would have to obviously just put it on for 15 minutes max. And make sure that, you just rub it off around your neck as well. See how your skin will look a day later or 2 days later. It gives you such an instant, beautiful, natural glow. This thing is just amazing, and it's only 49 bucks at Clicks. I always buy the 3 for 2, where basically you buy 2 and then you get the cheapest one for free. So I always buy these 3 for 2 from Clicks. Be on the lookout, guys. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Let me know what other videos you'd like to see in the future. Did you enjoy this, the morning and night skincare routine? Will it really helpful? Is it helpful? Will it be helpful in the future? Please do comment below. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.